If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture intermediate level where we are building concepts on parabola. So today we will see what do you mean by diameter of a parabola. How does diameter look like in parabola? Okay, then let's see this. Okay, the article is the diameter of parabola. So do you have any diameter in parabola? Very interesting to see what is the parabola, diameter of parabola they are saying. So it is saying that it is locus of all middle points of the system of parallel chords. So in parabola you have number of diameters. So in circle also you have this one diameter, this one, so many diameters are there. So in parabola also. So if you have all parallel, what are they saying? Parallel chords. You take one chord and draw all the parallel of that chord and take all the midpoints of that chord. So this line will be the diameter. Suppose these are the parallel chords, you take the midpoints. My midpoints are not symmetrical, it should be some parabola, in fact is not okay, it is going like elliptical shape, ellipse. So if you join, it will be a flat line. You will see why the equation is flat. You will derive this one. So these are all diameters. You take any chord, draw all parallel chords, and then join the midpoints of these all chords. That will give you the diameter. So what is equation of a chord? We know that this is the equation of the chord. Just now we have learned. If the midpoint is given, suppose all the midpoints are, because my intention is to find the locus of the midpoint, so that's why I am concentrating on midpoint. You can write midpoint HK also. I have written here x1 y1 whatever. So we need an expression, we need an equation in terms of x1 and y1, because for what point we need locus, we take that point as any number, either HK or x1 y1. Suppose I have taken x1 y1 midpoint, because that will be easy for me. Just now I have learned how to write the equation of a chord when midpoint is given. So this is the equation of the chord. So you are getting, if you expand it, y is equal to something of this fashion. Now because the slopes of all chords are equal, suppose you have taken one slope 5. So what is the slope here? This one. So that should be equal to 5, because all chords whose midpoint are these should have this same slope. That is my idea. All same slope parallel lines, midpoint I am joining. So I am saying now reverse. Suppose I have given a slope of 5. So all those chords whose midpoints are this point and slope is 5, then this should be equal to 5, because this is the slope. If I know the midpoint, then this is the slope. So this one should be equal to your m. Or from here only you can say y1 is that is, you can y1 is equal to 2a by m. Or y1 is the unknown, y1 is the locus for which I am calculating locus. So you can say y equal to this one. Or normally we take hk, that's why I have written k. Suppose this is hk, so k is equal to 2a by m. So becomes the locus. So this is nothing but y equal to 2a. So what does it represent? It represents a straight line which is parallel to x-axis. So that's why I was telling my drawing was not perfect. So it should be diameter. Diameter will be always parallel to x-axis. And this is what is this m? M, you can change m, so you can have more and more diameters. If you change m, that means you are changing the slopes of the parallel chords. If m is equal to 1, then it is something of this. If m is equal to infinite, then this is of this. So if m is equal to infinite, you can see a very funny thing. If m is equal to infinite, then how chord will be? So all chords will be this, because the slope is infinite, so chords will be 90 degrees. So if you join all the midpoints, what you will get? If you give infinite, then y equal to 0. What is y equal to 0? This line itself. So you are getting it. So that is the diameter of a parabola, and that is the equation. This is known as diameter equation of a parabola. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.